what Daddy got you. What is that?
What's this?
Say skeleton jammies. What are those?
These are pajamas.
Hey, Madison, think you got a t-shirt?
Mama, let me make sure it fits.
Oh, you want to make sure it fits?
This is a foot.
Nope, that's pants.
It's from
Look,
the
a big shirt. Wow, what else is in there?
Look.
Oh, it says, "To my little munchkin, Daddy loves you."
And we sit.
That's a bag. Can you say thank you, Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
Say love you.